Our top story on WION continues to be from Bangladesh. Days after the murder of Bangladeshi student leader Sharif Osman Hadi, a senior BNP leader has blamed the Jamaat Islami for his death. Veteran BNP leader Nilofer Chaudhry Moni has alleged that prominent lawyer and senior Jamaat leader Shishir Monir twice secured bail for Hadi's shooter months before his killing. The BNP leader has called for a probe into Monir's political links. The comments were made during a panel discussion on a local television channel. As anger mounts over Hadi's death, Inqilab Moncho has issued a stern warning to the Yunus administration. The group has given a 30-day ultimatum for a speedy probe into Hadi's murder and a trial before the general elections in February next year. It has warned that there will be no elections in the country without the completion of the murder trial. Bangladesh law advisor Asif Nazrul said that the case would be tried within 90 days under the Speedy Trial Tribunal Act. Meanwhile, tensions continue to simmer on Dhaka's streets. Another student leader, Mohammad Motalib Sikdar, was shot at by unknown assailants yesterday. Sikdar is a leader of the student-led National Citizen Party, or the NCP. He is currently undergoing treatment at a hospital. The NCP, remember, is the first student-led political party in Bangladesh. It is an offshoot of the Jatiya Nagorik Committee formed in the wake of Sheikh Hasina's ouster. The party was officially launched on the 28th of February this year. Amid the volatile security situation, the interim government has stepped up protection for 20 high-risk individuals, including 6 top leaders of the National Citizen Party. Editors of the Daily Star and Pratham Alo, the 2 prominent media outlets that came under attack recently, have also been assigned higher security protection. Amid the recent outbreak of violence, the ties between Dhaka and New Delhi have soared. The Bangladesh High Commission has temporarily suspended consular and visa services in 3 Indian cities. That's New Delhi, Agartala and Siliguri. This move came days after India temporarily suspended its visa application center in Chattogram, Bangladesh's second largest city, over security concerns. Meanwhile, in New Delhi, members of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad and other Hindu organizations protested near the Bangladesh High Commission today over the atrocities against Hindu minorities and the mob lynching of Deepu Chandra Das in Bangladesh. The police resorted to lathi charge to disperse the protesters. And for more on this, WION's Assistant Editor of Foreign Affairs, Siddhant Sibbal, has sent us this report from New Delhi. Take a look.
Protesters gathered just in front of Delhi's diplomatic enclave, protesting against policies of the Bangladeshi government and killing of a Hindu man in the country. Now they were carrying placards and chanting slogans against Chief Advisor Muhammad Yunus, saying that he failed to protect the minorities, especially the Hindu minorities. The security, of course, untaking any chances. The security has been increased in front of the Bangladesh High Commission and just outside the Delhi's diplomatic enclave where protesters were stopped. Now we know that similar protests happened in front of the Indian missions in Bangladesh, including an attempted attack in front of the Indian diplomatic post in Chittagong. Both countries have summoned each other's high commissioners and lodged protests and expressed concerns. And there is suspension of visa services by India in Chittagong and by Bangladesh in Delhi, Siliguri and in Agartala. With video journalist Piyush Siddhant Sibbal for WION in New Delhi, just outside Delhi's diplomatic enclave.